Okay, I'm going to make this quick. Today we're getting ready to go paddling down at a place called Bishop's Harbor and maybe do a little fishing. As usual, maybe not any catching, but we're going to give it a shot. I just wanted to show this is a paddle lanyard. And right now I just have it hooked to this, which is okay. There are several places it could be hooked to. It would go and hook on that back there. But I had rigged up this PVC thing, and what it is an old fishing rod holder, and I cut the bottom off of it, and it fits in that receptacle there, just like that one on that side. So usually I would have the GoPro in here, but I'm putting the iPhone on there today just to show how it is. But anyway, that velcros around there. It could be a little tighter, but a phone can sit in here. I can move that in different directions. I also made it to where I can change the height of it. Let me show that. So I made it with this extension on here where it picks the camera up higher. That would sort of be an over your shoulder shot. So this thing is adjustable, so I can change the angle, and lanyard holds everything in place. So now that we've got this all rigged up, let's go fishing. Okay folks, here we are getting ready to push off at Bishop's Harbor. The hiking twins, sore legs and all. All right, and we are off. I don't know if we can see it way off over there from Bishop Bay. I mean, no, this is Bishop Harbor. But there's that Sunshine Skyway Bridge. And we're out in a big flat here. We bought us some live shrimp, which are in this bucket. A dozen for $3.50. I didn't think that was bad. Alright folks, I don't know what this is, but it is on some light line, 8-pound test, and it's not wanting to come in, and I can't hustle too much. Boy, boy. That's one of those damn catfish on the lure. One of those top sails. I don't know. There are a couple of YouTube guys that say they eat those things, but look at the slime on my line. That is just slime. I'm gonna tell you what, buddy, if you'll settle down there, I'll get you off there and let you go home. Well, not being prepared, I don't have my stuff out, but there's my stuff. There's that to hold him while I get him off. Why don't you figure out how to get off there yourself, buddy? I guess you're funner than nothing. Yeah, I was talking to you. Man, stop it. I've got to say, for a catfish, you're pretty. You're the first one I've ever seen live and in person. So let's get your stinky butt off of here and get you back in the water. Don't get your slime everywhere. Good deal. For all of you that have never seen a topsail catfish, there's your one right there. Bye-bye, dude. You're welcome for sliming up my boat. This is Bishop Harbor. Well, I'll just take a look at it. The wind is blowing me along here about 60 miles an hour. I'm gonna try to get a little closer back to the car. Everybody says these fish get up in these mangroves, but you couldn't prove it by me. I'm about as up in the mangroves as I could get without climbing them. Okay, folks. I was back in those mangroves and didn't know this was going on. I don't know if you can see it in this GoPro on top of my head, but this is too rough of water for this size boat. Coming across there and there, I didn't know if I was going to make it or not. I wanted to get to this first set of mangroves here so I could get turned in to the waves. And I'm in real shallow water. Where we put ends around this corner up here, and I'm going to be glad to see that. Now I got to turn sideways again. This is how you get swamped. If I can make it to that set of mangroves, I'll be all right. That's really hard paddling. Don't do this at home. There were a lot of other kayaks and stuff out there a while ago too, and they got out of here. This water is awful shallow back in here, and I don't have a whole lot of confidence in the fishing, but that water out there, I don't know if you can see it from here or not, but it's still pretty rough. So I'll be happily contented to paddle around in these mangroves, just enjoying the day, which I am enjoying the day. The place is really pretty. But I don't think you can find a much prettier place to be. This is really nice through here. Except for the constant airplanes that are flying over, I don't care where you are. This is a really pretty place.